Today I'd like to review this headlamp package. It comes with 2 headlamps. They have 9 modes of lighting and 1500 lumen LED. So it's pretty powerful. And I'm just going to open the contents of the box and see what we'll be able to see how bright they are. So when you open the box, it comes with a brief instructions on how you can use it. It's pretty self-explanatory. Charging cable, and we have the headlamp itself. So looks like it has 2 separate charging cables, which is really cool. So if you want to gift one pair to your friends, that's how you can do it. So that's the LED itself. Here you have on and off switch, and also it gives you 9 types of lighting, and this is the indicator of the battery. This one it's like gives you the most common types of lighting. I think it's just 3 types of lighting here, but you can switch in between. Also it has the one that turns on and off based on the gestures. So I'm going to just show you quickly. So the battery's full. As you can see, it's pretty light. Now it's much more dim. That's really powerful light here. That's dim. That's the red. That's like SOS. And we turned off. And you can also see here this one. And you turned off. And from here you charge it. And also you can remove it from the base just by sliding. So I think it's a really cool product. This is also handy when you go for camping or hiking, or you love to walk around in the evening. I also give this to my kids because they go to the to different camps, and all. They are also members of the Scouts Canada, and they use it when they have different events. So this is pretty good. So I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.